This is a toy for kids over 20 years old. Today, we're building one of the coolest 3D printing projects I've ever made, a fully mechanical, completely manual excavator. No motors, no electronics, just pure mechanical movement. This project took over 6 hours of printing, with multiple separate parts coming together into one amazing build. And trust me, when you see the final result, it's absolutely worth it. First, I sent all the parts to the printer. There are a lot of pieces, and when I say assembling this was a challenge, I mean it. It felt like solving a full mechanical puzzle. Every gear, every joint, every arm had to align perfectly. But once everything came together, the result was seriously mind-blowing. Smooth movement, fully controllable arm, completely mechanical power. Now comes the best part, testing it. Let's see if this little excavator can actually pick up these tubes and drop them into the box. And honestly, it's insanely satisfying. This isn't just a toy, it's the kind of thing that makes you feel like a kid again. Perfect for ages 6 to 100. If you want to build your own, the STL download link is in the description. And if you enjoy mechanical builds and daily 3D printing projects, make sure to subscribe because this is just the beginning.